You as a father, because you judge, you are a father. You judge, you are a mother. You have your children. How would you feel when you find your daughter in a bedroom with another daughter? How will you find your son inside your own house? They're in their bedroom doing sex with another man in your bedroom, in your house. As a father, put down the gown. Put down what do they call this thing they put in their head? Remove it. Put it down. Now become a human being. Become a father. A father of children. A father of a son and a daughter. How will you feel if you found your daughter in bed with another girl? Or your son in bed with another man? How do you feel? LGBTQ is also part of sleeping with animals. It allows.